Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are gonna do a battle of the juicy lips, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. Okay, so of course by juicy lips I mean lip glosses and lip oils, so we are gonna rank 12 lip glosses and lip oils today, and in this ranking are included lip glosses and lip oils that I tested in the last year or so. If you're curious about this look, I filmed it, it should be already live. It's the palette creation for the month of June and I will link it down below, and I will list down below everything that I have on my face as well. Let's start from the bottom and work our way up, and I did grade all of these lip glosses. Okay, so I have 12 glosses like I said, but I did put some of them at the same spot, so I'm gonna pop some numbers in the corner, and for the ones that I don't have I'm gonna put some pictures. Let's start with the lowest one, and that is a grade of 3 out of 10 because it was horrible, and that one was the MAC lip gloss. I'm gonna put a picture. This was horrendous. I did declutter it, I didn't use it up. It was horrible. I think this retails for around $15 and it was very sticky, very goopy. I hated it, couldn't wear it, I don't like it, don't recommend it, so that's the reason I'm putting it on the lowest spot. It was horrible. The next one I gave 4 out of 10 and is the Essence Ginseng Plumping lip oil. This feels nice on the lips, but it smells so horrible. This ginseng thing, oh my god, is disgusting. I don't think I'm gonna use this one up, even though the plumping effect is kind of mild, so it's comfortable on the lips, and it's a lip oil, so it's a bit hydrating as well. I like the formula, but this smell, oh my god, it's, I keep smelling it, but it's unbelievable how nasty it smells. I hate it. So this is a 4 out of 10. I think this is $3, so I'm not that mad. This is not that expensive. Anyway, it's so affordable, but it's so horrendous, so I'm not gonna recommend it. Horrible smell. For the next one we have a 5 out of 10 and it's the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I think I did declutter this one as well. I like the formula and I know that a lot of people love the formula, but if you put just a tiny amount on your skin, my skin was burning, was red. On the lips I could bear the pain and it was really plumping, but if I was touching my skin just a tiny amount, it was red, very uncomfortable. I hated it. So for that part, and it's $29 or something like that, it's pretty expensive and I don't like it. Why do we need to tolerate the pain to look good? No thank you. I have other lip glosses that are way more beautiful and a lot more comfortable, so no thank you. Then we have 2 products with a grade 6 out of 10, and first one is the Sephora gloss. I'm gonna put a picture. The formula was okay, nothing too bad, nothing too good. It was a bit too glittery for my taste, so yeah, I didn't hate it, didn't love it. It was a meh, so a 6 out of 10. That one is $12, so kind of mid-range. And then I have at the same spot the NYX lip oil. This is hashtag this is everything, a bit cringy. This is not great for a lip oil. This is too thin, so I feel like it's wearing out very fast, not very hydrating for a lip oil. I feel like this could be okay on top of lipsticks, and for that I'm gonna keep it. This smells pretty nice and it's $6, so I don't hate it, but I just have other lip glosses and lip oils that are way better than this one, but I'm gonna keep it, I'm gonna use it up. but yeah, it's nothing worth recommending. The rest of them I do recommend. They are pretty lovely, but I want to note in here that I didn't keep an eye on the price. I will mention the price, but I'm grading the formula, not the price that much, but I will let you know the prices just if you want to know that information. So for the grade 8 out of 10, I have 3 lip glosses. The first one is the Fenty Gloss Bomb, and I have in here the shade Diamond Milk. I do love the formula, but because this is a shimmery formula, I'm grading it an 8. I want to buy the clear one, and for that one I think I'm gonna give it a 9. It's still not a 10, but I do love the formula. And even though this is shimmery and I don't like shimmery lip glosses, this one for some reason, it looks so milky on the lips, so beautiful, so I still did like it even though it has glitter in it. The Fenty Gloss Bomb retails for $20, and the next one that I have in here is the Tower 28 Lip Jelly, and this has an 8 out of 10 as well, and this retails for $15. And I have in here the shade Coconut. Can't pronounce that word for the life of me. For this one, I think even if I had the clear one, I still would grade this one an 8, just because of the smell. I don't know, it smells a bit chemically. I think some people would like the smell, but I don't know, I don't like the smell. It's not the same as this one. This one is horrible. This one I just don't like. But the formula is nice, pretty hydrating. I have it on today on top of a MAC lipstick. So I do like this one, but it's an 8 out of 10. And the next one that's as well an 8 out of 10 is the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss that retails for $7, and I did finish that one up. So this one has some shimmers in it as well, but they are very small, so I do like the effect on the lips. And this is a plumping gloss that is very comfortable. So of course it doesn't plump the way that Too Faced does, but yeah, it's a lot more comfortable. It's great. I do recommend it, and I want to buy it again at some point. And then we have another 3 lip glosses for a 9 out of 10. They are pretty great, so I want to recommend all of them for different reasons. So the first one is the Clarins Lip Comfort Oil, and this retails for $26. So this is pretty expensive. I still like it. I want to mention it. If you want to splurge on a lip gloss, this is great. And I have the shade Plum. Even though in general I do like clear lip glosses and clear lip oils, this one looks so yummy on the lips. It looks like your lips are just a bit tinted. It looks stunning and it's very hydrating. I like the packaging, everything about it. It's so luxe. I do like it. It's pretty expensive, but yeah, it's a 9 out of 10. I do love it. It's great. And then I have 2 drugstore options that I do really like. The first one is the Essence Shine Shine Shine. This is $4 or something like that. Very inexpensive. As you can see, I did use mine up. I just finished it in my project pen. And this one is lovely. It's a clear gloss. Your lips look so yummy, so juicy. I love it so much. It's very beautiful on the lips, and the name is just perfect for it. I think now it's called Extreme Shine or something like that. They, I think, changed the packaging just a tiny bit. I didn't test that one though. I hope it's good. I'm gonna buy it at some point. This is lovely, so I do really recommend it, and it's very affordable as well. And the other gloss that's really affordable and I do really love is this one that I just bought, and it's the Catrice Lip Volumizing Booster. This is around $4 as well. This is so nice. It has very small shimmers. You can't really see them on the lips, and it's a clear gloss. This is so nice on the lips, but the thing that I love the most about it is the smell and the taste. It just reminds me of my childhood. It's so great. I love it so much. So this, I'm gonna put a picture on the screen. This smells like mentosans or something like that. In Romanian we call them mentosane, so I don't know if they are called otherwise than mentosans or something like that, but this smells exactly like that. And this is not burning, this is cooling on the lips. This is very pepperminty on the lips. I adore it. This is a new discovery, but I'm very happy that I bought it. So I do really recommend this one. It's very nice and I love it. And I have one more product left. Is the 10 out of 10. This is amazing and I did repurchase it. It's so great. So this is the Sigma Renew Lip Oil. This is my first one. It's pink and it has some product in here because I did put the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in here. This is the shade Tint. So I did use this one up, and I very recently bought the Tranquil shade. These are pretty sheer, so the colors are not that different. I love this lip oil to death. It's so hydrating. It stays on the lips for so long and it's just so great. So if you want something hydrating, this is the perfect one. And I do love lip oils just a tiny bit more than lip glosses, just because lip oils in general are a bit more hydrating. This is $21, so a bit expensive as well. If you want something more affordable, I do recommend these two. They are not lip oils, but they are pretty hydrating as well, and they are staying on the lips pretty nice. But this is my favorite, so I want to put it on top, and I'm very happy to have this one in my collection again. Okay, so this was everything. I'm very happy with this ranking. I've been enjoying lip oils and lip glosses in the last 6 months a lot. And yeah, so if you like the video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.